Now, according to the law in the United States, and let me say the Constitution of the United States of America, once a crime is committed by somebody who comes from a different country and the person commits that crime in the American soil, that person is supposed to be judged and prosecuted in the courts of the United States of America. That is something that is going to happen to one man who was yesterday arrested in Kenya. His name is Kevin. It is believed that Kevin killed his lover in Boston, United States of America, and left that he had stuck the body of his lover in the boot of a car. Now, this has caught the attention of many Kenyans, as many are getting to discuss about the issue of this man by the name of Kevin, who went ahead to kill a United States of America citizen in America, and then few minutes later he flew out of America, came to hide in Kenya. Now, what is happening here is Kevin has recently been arrested in Kenya, and this was due to the effort by the DCI in Kenya and also the police from the United States of America. In conjunction to both of them, they came forward to work together so that they can put this criminal into justice. As published by the United States Embassy in Nairobi, this is what they had to say. Embassy Nairobi commends the effort of Kenyan law enforcement for apprehending Kenyan fugitive Kevin Kang'Ethe, suspected to have murdered Margaret Mbitu in Massachusetts sometime between October 30th and November 4th, 2023. United States Law Enforcement, the Kenyan Directorate of Criminal Investigations, and the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions have been working side by side to locate and capture the fugitive. The United States and Kenya are committed to strengthening law enforcement cooperation to apprehend criminal offenders, eliminate criminal activities, and advance justice. Now, this is what the embassy said. In regards to these, the DCI also posted in regards to the arrest of this man, because the DCI, if it's not for the effort of the DCI, then Kang'ethe would have not been arrested. That's what I mean. Now, due to the effort and the joint effort between the people, the United States of America and Kenya, this man was put behind bars. Right now, the talk of the town is, will Kevin Kang'ethe be prosecuted in Kenya, or he will be extradited to America where he will face the law? Now, when we speak about extradition, let me tell you how the United States works. It doesn't matter whether you are a citizen of the United States, but as long as you are a criminal that's committed an offense in the United States and flew out of the country to hide in your motherland or in other country, then the United States of America has a way of apprehending you and extraditing you from your country or your motherland to their country where you will face the law according to their justice system. What I'm telling you, I will give you an example of somebody like Escobar. You know, Pablo Escobar was the greatest drug kingpin of all time. Pablo Escobar was born and brought up in Colombia. But due to his drugs being sold in the United States and destroying the people of the United States, the United States sought an extradition permit to extradite Pablo Escobar from United States, from Colombia to the United States. And that's why Pablo Escobar died trying to block his arrest and trying to block his extradition from Colombia to the United States where he was supposed to face the law. Remember, Pablo Escobar went ahead even to capture a court and also kill several judges that were making a law and allowing extradition from Colombia to the United States. Now, when we speak about these people, when we speak about Pablo Escobar, it's the same case to this of Kevin Kang'ethe, because Kevin Kang'ethe is just a criminal who has committed an offense in the United States and come to hide in Kenya. Now, when we speak about criminals, let's speak about Joaquin Guzman. Joaquin Guzman is also a criminal who was born and brought up in Mexico. His drug empire of the Sinaloa cartel affected a lot of people in America, because he used to export, to import his drugs in America, and they ruined a lot of lives in America. But right now, after his arrest, he was captured and brought to taken to the United States, where he was persecuted and he was given a sentence in America. His name is El Chapo. Who does not know El Chapo? Now, when we speak about the case of Mr. Kang'ethe, it relates to these men who have been extradited from their country to the United States. It's the same thing to the brothers that were caught, the drug smuggling cartel in Kenya, that was caught and extradited to where? To America, where they faced charges. They were caught and arrested in Kenya. It was known as the crime family in Kenya and the drug crime family in Kenya, which shocked many Kenyans due to how they operated under the radar. You have heard of the Akasha crime family? Yeah, I'm speaking in regards to how extradition happened. Now, Kang'ethe, as we have been informed by many, he was arrested while hiding in Kenya, where he was trying to avoid being arrested. According to a publication, the manhunt, police arrested Boston-based fugitive Kevin Kang'ethe, who killed a woman and later left her body in a car in Boston. Before he boarded a flight to Kenya, Kevin was arrested in Kitengela in an intelligence-led operation. The body of Margaret Bitu, 31 years of age, was discovered in a parking garage at Logan International Airport in Boston, Massachusetts. Ms. Bitu of Whitman had been reported missing by her family. The suspect will be extradited to the US for processing. Yeah. Now, the cases of murder this January and the arrests that are being made has left a lot of people speaking on social media. And now we hope that justice will be served to one Ms. Bitu, who was killed by Kevin Kang'ethe, a Kenyan citizen who killed a woman in the United States. You don't do that in America and expect to get away with it. You don't do that in America and expect to get away with it. And remember, Kenya has a very, very, very close relationship with America. So they will do anything possible in their power to make sure that Kevin Kang'ethe suffers most. As posted on 6th November 2023 by Cyprian Nyakundi, police raided Kiambu home of U.S. murder suspect Kang'ethe. Detectives searched a home in Dogoto, Kiambu County, believed to belong to a man who was wanted for the murder of his girlfriend in the U.S. The suspect, Kevin Kang'ethe, who is 40, was accused of killing Margaret Bitu, 31 years of age, a nurse who was found dead with stab wounds in a car at Boston's Logan Airport on November 1st. However, the detectives did not find Kang'ethe in the home and were told that he had not been seen for years in the area. Bitu's body was discovered by the state police after she had been reported missing by her family on October 13th. Police said that Kang'ethe left Boston on a flight to Kenya shortly after committing the crime. U.S. authorities have issued an arrest warrant for the suspect and requested Kenyan detectives to help in apprehending him. Kang'ethe has been warned to surrender himself to authorities before he or anyone else gets hurt. Yeah, he didn't surrender, but you know what? Mkono wa polisi na serikali ni mrefu. As if for now, we are waiting to hear on his extradition to America, where he will face the law for the crimes that he committed. For now, that's what's up. See you in the next video. This is FM Show KE.